Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be sharing a special, easy, affordable, and simple recipe that is one of my personal favorites to make. Follow us on Instagram right now and see all the food we'll be cooking up in the future. So for this recipe, you're going to need onions diced in large pieces and small pieces, potatoes in large blocks as well, carrots also sliced in large pieces, garlic minced down, mushrooms sliced, an apple, any Japanese curry packet of your choosing, and any protein of your choosing. Now to start off, you want to get your pan sizzling hot and then add your oil. Then we're going to proceed to add the beef to get it all brown and beautiful and give it that color. After a little bit, we're going to add the garlic to give it the aromatics to hit your whole home with that beautiful, beautiful smell. Also remember to always salt and pepper your food as you're cooking. A tip that I got from watching Gordon Ramsay a lot, and he said garnish everything. So I started doing that myself, unless you're trying to be a little healthier. I also add red chili flakes because I ran out of Thai chilies and I love cooking with Thai chilies, so that's what happened. Now the beef is looking really nice and brown, so I'm gonna put that to the side and add our onions. And again, these onions are gonna start bringing that aroma into the building. With the onions, we're gonna toss it a little bit more, and then we're gonna slowly add everything else. Now we got the potatoes in, we're getting them ready for the carrots to come in, and this whole pot is gonna start coming into harmony very soon here. And again, if you wanna throw a little salt, throw a little pepper each time you put a little ingredient, that's what I like to practice to do to get that full flavor in. And then we're gonna add my favorite ingredient, mushrooms. I can eat mushrooms literally on anything, so I gotta add it to my Japanese curry. After everything has gotten to know each other in the pot, we're gonna add some water to fill everything in there. Now we're gonna add my little secret ingredient. I'm gonna put a couple apple slices in there, a little bit of more seasoning, a little bit of pepper. Then we're gonna close that lid. We're gonna let it sizzle for a while until it comes to a nice boiling point, and then we're gonna open the lid and take the apples out. I don't want the apples to get in there too long and get all soggy or like melt in, but you know, if you really want that sweetness, I suggest you do. And I can't really tell you what kind of apple I use. I went to a local market to pick that up. Now I'm gonna add the curry base into the soup to give it that together flavor there, put all of those textures and all of those flavors into place, and officially turn into our little curry pot we have here. Now I got the pot boiling extremely hot. I'm just gonna turn it, stir it with love. Always stir it with love. I'm someone who hovers at the stove because I just really love to stir that thing up. And after about 30 minutes or so of going low and slow, our curry is all done, beautiful, and ready to enjoy. Now, if you don't have the traditional garnishes, you could just use whatever you have in your fridge, and that's what I always do. Took a little cilantro from some tacos the other day, and also took some sweet potato slices that we fried the other day, which I double fried in the air fryer. Now, all we have to do is set our plate up to be enjoyed. One of my favorite dishes. I love Japanese culture. I worked in a Japanese restaurant for 5 years, so this curry is dear to my heart, and it's definitely some soul food.